I quit Forex, and this is why I'm quitting Forex today. Forex is a beast, it is a vampire, it is a bloodsucker. It has done more harm than good in the lives of so many persons. In this video, I will break it down for you how Forex has destroyed my life. Don't go anywhere. When I come up from this short break, I will dive straight into this video.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. Because of the kind of content I create here on YouTube, I've been privileged to hear so many stories about Forex trading. People come into my DM steady with so many complaints because they see I review platforms, I review brokers, I review Forex scams, I review Forex mentors. They deem it fit, or they saw that I'm in the best position to listen to their stories. So in this video, I will share some of their stories and why most of them are giving up in Forex. I will also do my best to encourage some that will still want to listen to a piece of advice. My name is Chemist Frank. I'm a Forex trader, a full-time Forex trader. I've been trading Forex for 5 years now, and I don't think I'm going to leave Forex anytime soon because I am seeing profit. If I'm not seeing profit like every other person who must have quitted, I would also follow the same path. But I'm not leaving the system because by the grace of God, we are profitable. Profitability, like I said in my previous video, is not when you are making $200,000 profit or $100,000 profit. Profitability is when your strategy wins most of the time. That is profitability. If your strategy wins most of the time, all the time, you're always winning. Strategy alone, you're already profitable. All you just need is just a fund and start making those profits from that your strategy. That makes you a profitable trader. If you don't have a sad story from Forex, that doesn't make you special. You are just living by the grace of God. So many persons took their life this year because of trading. Yeah, you must have heard some of the stories. I also posted one on this YouTube channel. You can go to the internet right now and browse about it. You see so many people who actually left Earth because of Forex. Somebody is in my DM as we speak requesting a loan of 10.5 million naira. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. He says he lost the money trading Forex. I have some other persons, a lot of persons asking me to give them money because they lost money in the financial market. I helped some, and some I could not help because I cannot help everybody at the same time. If I could not reach out to you or respond to your message, just know that it is not also easy for me, okay? This is a word of encouragement. Forex is just like every other field of life where you need to struggle to survive. It is obviously survival of the fittest. There is no place in life where we have bed of roses unless you are born with silver spoon. People like the sons of Elon Musk or the son of Donald Trump, in quotes. But if you are born like me, an average Nigerian or average African trader, you actually need to struggle to survive. If you have tried Forex this year and it did not work, and you have been trying it for years and it did not work, you can actually try one more time. But if you have been trying Forex for 20 years and above, stop trying. Yourself, you don't try. This is just me being so plain and honest. This Forex thing is not for everybody. Forex trading is not for everybody. That is why in my academy, we have sections of departments. We have traders, we have those that are into tech, web design. We have content creators here in our academy. You know why? Because everybody will not understand what the chart is saying, and that is the obvious fact. If we test you and you're not good in analyzing anything in chart, we move you to another field where you can actually adapt to or work with. That is why if you do this too much and it's not still working for you, give up on it and try another thing. People be like, giving up is not an option. Yes, I understand that theory. Giving up is not an option. But if you have done this for 20 years and above, give up. You had it from Frank FS. You have tried other field of, you have other things of life you can do with your life. Do mechanic or try some other thing that can give you financial freedom. Why would you even borrow money to trade forex? For those who are in my DM requesting for 10 million and above, why will you borrow to trade? Because some of them, according to their story, they have to take loans from their bank, take money from people, collect money from people like donations. According to one Mr. Paul, he says contribution money, the money they use for contribution, he had to use it and fund his broker. I agree to you, mentor. I agree to you. When he funded, he blew up that account. Like I told you, I'm in the position to tell you what's happening because I have so many stories in my DM. It is time to share the contribution money. Chairman is running header scatter. He's in my DM asking Frank to give him money for the contribution. How it take concern me? Forex doesn't care about you. When it takes your loss, it won't even say sorry. And that's why you have to be very careful with this industry. Forget the hype, forget the Mercedes, forget the luxury. It is also an environment for survival of the fittest. Let me talk about your forex mentors because sometimes your mentor can even be a problem why you enter into these frustrations. Most Nigerian forex mentors don't open trades. Let me just be very plain to you. Most Nigerian traders do not open Meta 5 or any broker to place any trade. But they will show you demo accounts, show you profit, detailed pictures, rent house, just to make sure you send $100 into their account. If people can go this extent, it proves that you also need to be very, very careful in this particular industry. It is also survival of the fittest. Find a mentor you can trust and learn from the person. If you need guidance, someone who can guide you, find a forex mentor who can guide you. And then next year, these are the strategic move you have to take. Knowledge first before you fund an account. It happened here. One young man who actually claims he lost 20 million naira into forex trading. And when he was asked by Lucky Udu in an interview to even define what forex is, he could not define forex. And he cries that he lost 20 million into a system that he doesn't even know the meaning. He can't even define what forex is all about. Knowledge first before funding. According to TradingView, he says look first before you leap. Study first before you try investing your money to make profit. Finally, to those who are completely tired and frustrated, who are even considering taking their lives right now, because I have such people in my DM, people who are at the verge of it is over in their life because they have lost everything this year. I tell you solemnly, that life you want to take does not even belong to you. It's even a big risk to try taking that life. We better be. You are not going anywhere, brother. We are here till we see to the end. Keep pushing. If this system did not work, try another system and then have the same mindset of survival of the fittest. Go and fight. You must fight to get it. You cannot sleep and then money start flowing into your bank account. That's a lie. You need to, it's a jungle or jungle justice, as the case may be. So this is just me trying to encourage you to work hard, encourage you to keep trying, encourage you to keep pushing, and do not give up easily in the system. I've been here for 5 years. I would have given up since 2 years ago. As of 2 years ago, I had a friend who used to tell me that this forex thing, he has done it. This is no really makes sense. He left it. He said I should also come out from there. It's a scam, blah, blah, blah. He gave me reasons why it is a scam. I said, bro, you see this system, I'm not leaving it. And I will also share with you what made me to stay in it. I limited the way I listen to people's setups on YouTube or popular places. You know, people saying this strategy will turn you millions overnight. I'll go and watch the video and master what the person is saying. Next tomorrow, I will listen to what James is saying on his channel. James will be like, with this strategy, I've turned 10 naira into 10 billion naira. I will still master that. A lot of strategy will fool everywhere on my head those days. And then that makes me to take poor trades because I am confused. You see, very confused, no strategy. Because I am always jumping from one strategy to another strategy. And I'm also in a another public group owned by our popular mentor, where we have 10,000 traders there dropping their opinion. That was another noise to me as of that time. I will see a buy on SAUUSD, but that group will be saying sell, and at the end of the day, it will buy. So it confuses me a lot. I had to just step away from that noise. My brother, that decision helped me a lot. My strategy, I can tell you for sure, most of the labeling on my chart is the name I called some of those things. You know, there's a popular one I call DB. That DB is my concept. Anywhere in the world I hear DB, I know that maybe one of my students, a student I taught, must have taught another person somewhere about DB because I'm the founder of that DB. And that DB was discovered by how the chart moves. It's how to know when someone is serious and when you want to break through from Forex. That's it, guys. Subscribe to this channel. It's just me trying to encourage anybody who wants to give up or who is losing hope already. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to the channel. Join my Telegram link where we drop signals. The link is in my description box. Even the broker I use, and our official website is in the description box. If you want to join the academy, you are also welcome. See you next time. Bye for now.